Indian English Literature (IEL) refers to the body of works by writers in India who write in the English language and whose native or co-native language could be one of the numerous languages of India. It is also associated with the works of the members of Indian diaspora, such as Kiran Desai, Jhumpa Lahiri, and Salman Rushdie, who are of Indian descent. Major Indian English poets Toru Dutt, Rabindranath Tagore (1861 to 1941), Sarojini Naidu (1879 to 1949), Kamala Das (1934 to 2009), Nisi Magical (1924 to 2004), Arun Kolatkar (1932 to 2005), Jayant Mahapatra (1928 to present). R. K. Narayan, major Indian prose writer, novelists. R. K. Narayan, 1906 to 2001. Murkraj Anand, 1905 to 2004. Anta Desai, 1937. Amitabh Ghosh, 1956 to present. Shashi Deshpande, 1938 to present. Manju Kapoor, 1948 to present. Arundhati Roy, 1961 to present. Ruskin Bond, 1934 to present. Major Indian English poets. Toru Dutt, Bengali, 1856 to 1877. Bengali. And Toru Dutt knew 4 languages: Bengali, Sanskrit, English, French. Cause of death: tuberculosis. Her major collection of poetry of Toru Dutt, Ancient Ballads and Legends of Hindustan. A sheep gleaned in French fields, Toru Dutt. A collection of poems translated into French into English, Toru Dutt. Major poems: Lotus, Sonnet, Rivalry between Rose and Lily by Toru Dutt, Our Casuarina Tree, a nostalgic lyric by Toru Dutt, Lakshman by Toru Dutt, Sita by Toru Dutt. Rabindranath Tagore, 1861 to 1941. Rabindranath Tagore was a versatile genius, poet, novelist, dramatist, essayist, short story writer, and painter. Rabindranath Tagore adopted a pen name for his earlier poems writings: Bhanur Singho. Major works of Rabindranath Tagore: Gitanjali, Song Offerings, 1912. Tagore received Nobel Prize for Literature in 1930 for Gitanjali. It was originally written in Bengali and translated into English by Tagore himself. Chandalika is a play of Rabindranath Tagore. Gora, play by Rabindranath Tagore. W. B. Yeats, William Butler Yeats played a vital role for the promotion of Rabindranath Tagore's poetry, especially Gitanjali. The national anthem of India and Bangladesh are composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India because of her sweet singing. Sarojini Naidu was a singer and poet. Major collection of Sarojini Naidu: Golden Threshold, The Bird of Time, The Broken Wing. Sarojini Naidu was born at Hyderabad in a Brahmin family. Sarojini Naidu played an active role in Indian national independence movement under the influence of Gandhi. After independence, Sarojini Naidu became the governor of UP. The themes of Sarojini Naidu's poems are life, death, love, nature, and Indian scenes. Major poems of Sarojini Naidu: Indian Viewers, Song of Radha, A Milkmaid, Playing Queen Beers by Sarojini Naidu, In the Bazaars of Hyderabad by Sarojini Naidu. कमला दास 1934 से 2009. Pen name Madhavi Kutti. Kamala Das was born in Kerala. Kamala Das wrote both in Malayalam and in English. Kamala Das was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1985 for her volume collected poems. Kamala Das is known as a confessional poet. Kamala Das her writings in Malayalam were written with the name of Madhavi Kutti. Kamala Das, at the last stage of her life, Kamala Das adopted Islam and became Kamala Suraya. Kamala Das' major works: My Grandmother's House by Kamala Das, A Hot Noon in Malabar by Kamala Das, An Introduction, a confessional poem by Kamala Das, Summer in Calcutta by Kamala Das, Summer in Calcutta by Kamala Das, Visitor to the City by Kamala Das, Visitor to the City by Kamala Das, Farewell to Bombay by Kamala Das. Farewell to Bombay is work of Kamala Das by Kamala Das. My Story Antekatha, her autobiography of Kamala Das. Kamala Das poetry is confessional. Kamala Das poetry is confessional and autobiographical. Kamala Das feminism identify problems: man, woman, relationship, marriage, sex, man, female body, and nostalgia are the recurrent themes of Kamala Das poetry. Nissim Ezekiel, 1924 to 2004. Nissim Ezekiel is a Jewish poet. Nissim Ezekiel was born in Bombay. Nissim Ezekiel was a professor of English in Bombay University. Nissim Ezekiel is called urban poet. Nissim Ezekiel's poetry reflects hollowness and alienation problems of modern city life. Some of Nissim Ezekiel's poems express Jewish and biblical myths. Father of modern English poetry is Nissim Ezekiel. Nissim Ezekiel's major poems: Night of the Scorpion, Enterprise by Nissim Ezekiel, Enterprise by Nissim Ezekiel, Enterprise by Nissim Ezekiel, The Journey of Life by Nissim Ezekiel, Case Study written by Nissim Ezekiel, Poetic collection of Nissim Ezekiel. The exact name is Poetry of Nissim Ezekiel. The Unfinished Man is poetry by Nissim Ezekiel. The Attempt for Change is poetry of Nissim Ezekiel. Latter-day Psalms is poetry of Nissim Ezekiel and got Nissim Ezekiel Sahitya Akademi for Latter-day Psalms in 1983. Nissim Ezekiel edited many journals like Quest, India Poetry Imprint. Arun Kolatkar, 1932 to 2005, Marathi writer. Arun Kolatkar was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 2005. Kolatkar's poetry is satirical in tone and realistic in description. Major works by Arun Kolatkar: Jejuri, collection of poems; Chaitanya by Arun Kolatkar, The Bus by Arun Kolatkar, An Old Woman by Arun Kolatkar, Jayant Mahapatra, 1928 to present. Odia writer Jayant Mahapatra. Jayant Mahapatra served as a lecturer in physics in various colleges of Odisha. Jayant Mahapatra Odia landscape has a strong presence in Jayant Mahapatra's poetry. Jayant Mahapatra was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1981 for the English language. The first English poet was Jayant Mahapatra, who got Sahitya Akademi Award. Jayant Mahapatra edits an important magazine, Chandrabhaga. Title of the magazine is on the name of a river in Odisha. Relationship is collection of Jayant Mahapatra. A Rain of writes Jayant Mahapatra. Colors the Sky 10 by 10 Jayant Mahapatra. Famous poems by Jayant Mahapatra are A Missing Person Jayant Mahapatra by Jayant Mahapatra. Lost poem is by Jayant Mahapatra. The Logic poem is by Jayant Mahapatra. Life Science by Jayant Mahapatra. R.K. Narayan, 1906 to 2001. R.K. Narayan, 1906 to 2001. R.K. Narayan was born at Madras in Tamil family. His full name was Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. Rasipuram was his village name. Krishnaswamy was his father's name. R.K. Narayan's novels were published by the recommendation of Graham Greene, a British novelist. R.K. Narayan was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award for Guide in 1960. Malgudi is a fictional place in R.K. Narayan's work. It is local setting of his novels and stories. My Days, R.K. Narayan's autobiography is My Days. My Days is R.K. Narayan's autobiography. R.K. Narayan's autobiography is My Days. My Dateless Diary is R.K. Narayan's. My Dateless Diary is R.K. Narayan's collection of autobiographical essays. R.K. Narayan's major works, novels, Swami and Friends in 1935, first novel. The Bachelor of Arts, semi-autobiographical, 1937. Mr. Sampath, the English teacher, autobiographical. The Guide, a film is also made with the same title, The Guide. The Financial Expert by R.K. Narayan. Vendor of Sweets by R.K. Narayan. The Painter of Science by R.K. Narayan. The Painter of Science by R.K. Narayan. The Man Eater of Malgudi, R.K. Narayan. A Tiger for Malgudi, R.K. Narayan. Waiting for Mahatma, R.K. Narayan. Waiting for Mahatma, R.K. Narayan. Collection of stories by R.K. Narayan are Malgudi Days and Astrologer's Day and Other Stories by R.K. Narayan. Cyclone and Other Stories by R.K. Narayan. Mulkraj Anand, 1905 to 2004. Born at Peshawar, Punjab in a Brahmin family. Mulkraj Anand. Mulkraj Anand is the most appealing of the trio novelists. Mulkraj Anand's works are the voice of lower strata of society. Autobiography, Morning Face, won Sahitya Akademi Award in 1968. Mulkraj Anand's major novels are The Untouchable, Baka main character, The Coolie, Two Leaves in a Bird by Mulkraj Anand, Across the Backwater by Mulkraj Anand, The Sword and the Sickle by Mulkraj Anand. Anita Desai, 1937 to present. Anita Desai Majumdar is her maiden name. Educated at Mirinda College, Delhi. Anita Desai works reflect the individual problems of metropolitan cities. Blend of Indian Western culture. Anita Desai was 3 times nominated for the Man Booker Prize but not awarded. Anita Desai's the Booker Award was started in 1969. It is given to the novelist of Commonwealth countries. Cry the Peacock was written by Anita Desai. Bye Bye Blackbird by Anita Desai. Fire on the Mountain by Anita Desai. Sahitya Akademi Award Anita Desai won in 1978 for The Fire on the Mountain. Village by the Sea by Anita Desai. The Zigzag Wedge in 2004 by Anita Desai. Amitav Ghosh 1956 to present USA settled. Amitav Ghosh was member of the Indian diaspora. Amitav Ghosh known for his English language historical fictions. Amitav Ghosh the Sahitya Akademi Award won in 1989. Amitav Ghosh for the Shadow Lines. Amitav Ghosh won the Padma Shri Award in 2007. Amitav Ghosh awarded the 54th Jnanpith Award in 2018. Major works of Amitav Ghosh: The Circle of the Region 1986, The Shadow Lines 1988. Shadow Line 1988 won the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1989. The Calcutta Chromosome 1995. Amitav Ghosh won the Clark C Award for the Calcutta Chromosome. The Glass Palace in 2000 won Man Booker Prize, Commonwealth Prize, but Amitav Ghosh rejected the award. The Hungry Tide 2004 Amitav Ghosh by Amitav Ghosh, Sea of Poppy in 2008 by Amitav Ghosh, River of Smoke 2011 by Amitav Ghosh, Flood of Fire 2015 by Amitav Ghosh, Gun Island by in 2019 by Amitav Ghosh, Ibis Trilogy, Jungle Nama by Amitav Ghosh in 2021, Dancing in Cambodia and At Large in Burma in 1998, Essay by Amitav Ghosh, The Imam and the Indian 2002, Essay by Amitav Ghosh. Shashi Deshpande, born in Dharwad, Karnataka, the daughter of the Kannada dramatist and writer Adya Rangachari and Sarda Adya. Shashi Deshpande. Shashi Deshpande won Sahitya Akademi Award in 1919 for That Long Silence, the novel That Long Silence. Shashi Deshpande won Padma Shri Award in 2009. The Dark Hold No Terror was written by Shashi Deshpande in 1980. If I Die Today 1982 by Shashi Deshpande. Roots and Shadows 1983 by Shashi Deshpande. That Long Silence in 1989. The Sahitya Akademi Award won Shashi Deshpande in 1990. A Matter of Time 1996 by Shashi Deshpande. The Binding Wine 2002 by Shashi Deshpande. Small Remedies 2000 by Shashi Deshpande. Shadow Play by Shashi Deshpande 2013. Stranger to Ourselves 2015 by Shashi Deshpande. Memoir Listen to Me Shashi Deshpande. Listen to Me Shashi Deshpande. Manju Kapoor 1948. Sujana Arundhati Roy 1961. Ruskin Bond 1934. Manju Kapoor 1948 taught English at Delhi University Miranda House for years. Sujana Arundhati Roy 1961 to present, awarded the Man Booker Award 1997, the Sahitya Akademi Award in 2005 for the Algebra of Infinite Justice. Ruskin Bond, UK born, settled in Missouri, Ruskin Bond, an Anglo-Indian author, the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, the Padma Shri Award in 1999. Ruskin Bond won awarded Padma Bhushan in 2014. Rust is a popular fictional character created by Ruskin Bond. The Rust stories have been adapted into a Doordarshan TV series. एक था रस्टी. Nanju Kapoor's first novel, Difficult Daughters, won the 1919 Commonwealth Prize, World Writers Prize, the best first book Europe and South Asia. Novels by Manju Kapoor, Difficult Daughters, 1998, A Married Woman, 2003, Home by Manju Kapoor, 2006, The Immigrant by Manju Kapoor, 2008, Custody by Manju Kapoor, 2011, Shaping the World, Women Writers on Themselves, Eddie Manju Kapoor, 2014, For Others, 2016 by Manju Kapoor. टेलीविज़न एंड सिनेमा अडॉप्शंस, ये मोहब्बत है बाई कस्टडी बाई कस्टडी. प्रदेश में है मंजू कपूर नॉवल इमिग्रेंट. द मैरिड वीमेन, ए मैरिड वीमेन नॉवल. अरुंधति रॉय नॉवल द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग, 1997, won the Booker Award. The Ministry of Utmost Happiness by Arundhati Roy, 2017. Non-fiction, The Algebra of Infinite Justice won the Sahitya Akademi Award for Arundhati Roy. Azadi Freedom Fascism Fiction, 2020. Non-fiction by Arundhati Roy. Room on the Roof by Ruskin Bond. Rusty Runs Away, Ruskin Bond. A Flight of Pigeons, Ruskin Bond by The Sensualist by Ruskin Bond. Delhi is Not Far by Ruskin Bond. Angry River by Ruskin Bond. Stranger in the Night, Ruskin Bond. Grandfather's Private Jew, Ruskin Bond. The Blue Umbrella, 2005 Bollywood film with the same title, The Blue Umbrella, Ruskin Bond. When the Night Falls, Ruskin Bond. Famous stories, The Night Train at Deoli by Ruskin Bond. Time Stops at Shamli by Ruskin Bond. Our Trees Grow in Dehra, Ruskin Bond. 7 Husbands of Sujanaz film, Saath Hun Waap by Ruskin Bond. Ranji's Wonderful Ruskin Bond.